guys, here back with a new video. I haven't posted in a while, and I'm here with a The Sims 4 house building small family home. Uh, yeah, this family I made a long time ago. The family that I'm currently doing now is actually pretty useful for once. Yeah, but like we're gonna hop straight up into this. I won't be doing any type of fancy intro except for like my other intro that's already been, established in the whole entire thing. So we'll have 30,000 funds, and we have how many people? We have 6 people. Okay, we have 6. We're gonna build our house in New Crest because New Crest has nothing. Shouldn't take us that long though. And since it's small, you guys want the smallest amount that's gonna be taken away, so you gotta go comfort covey. But yeah, guys, I've been pretty alright, for real. Trying to figure out what's new to be posted, and trying to figure out what other games that I can probably post about, or some new anime. But like, if you could like drop some comments down below to tell me what you guys want to see. But like, yeah, I won't be fancy with this kind of house because it'll be a very easy family house. So we got 2 kids, and we got 2 kids, and 4 dogs. This shouldn't be hard. It's gonna be a struggle though. I'll go with this. I like to do it this way. Start in the middle. Don't want it too big. Put a bathroom down here. Let's see. We can handle family bed right there, and kitchen right here, and yeah, that's pretty nice. So it's like everybody has left my party. Great. We're gonna go with some stairs here. The only reason why I say these stairs is because I'm gonna have to make a new room above once I find out where I can actually put that. It won't be perfect. Trust me, it really won't be perfect. Let's see here. Go with this. Now we have upstairs. That'll be the hallway. That'll be a living room. This will be a semi-office room, and this will be a bathroom. Cool. Now that we have our layout done, put a roof on top of it, Okay. Not that bad of a house. Alright. I can go with that. Also, guys, if you want to know how to make houses like I've been making my houses, I made a video about it earlier. You should like go back to my playlist and you'll probably see it. Oh no, I messed that up. Put this right here. Put this over here. Go with that. Put that right there, and we're goody. And if you want to make them look more modern, just go with the sheet metal. I'm gonna go with that. The only reason why I say that is because, it looks better like that, in my opinion. I should be actually focusing on getting the doors right. I like to use old doors first, and then build up to better doors in the future. These doors will just be for me getting around the house. Let's see. I'll add an arch door. It'll be brown. Then I'll add... Ooh, that's gonna be brown. Not really. Actually, never mind. No, it's not. Oh, no. No. Don't want you there. There we go. There, that handles our doors. And then after that, we'll handle our windows. I won't be doing pricey windows because there's no need. mount those up in the places that I want to place them up. Like, place 2 right there. Maybe place 1 right. No, place 1 right. No, I don't like to look at that. Place 1 right there. And place 1 more right there. Then you have these. Won't look that perfect. I did just wake up for real. Let's see, put that right there. Go with this right there for the kitchen. Like, I like to put a window on every side. At least 1 on every side, and I like to do that. Now, do I have 1 on every side? No, I don't. There. There's 1 on every side. 1 right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. 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 And there. Alright, and we also need stairs. Actually, I might just get the frame. The frame will be useful. Oh, why did I always place it in the wrong place? I mean, if it wants to be like that, sure. Won't be that bad. Okay. Let's see here. Ah, I know, I forgot. The kid's bedroom. I'll just add it somewhere. It won't be that problem. Alrighty. Oh my god. No, don't freeze on me now. Don't do it. Okay. And since we don't have enough money, I have to go with the horrible wallpaper. I like the color brown. Don't ask me. Just like the color brown. Good. Color brown just talks to me. Like, it's like, hey there, how are you? I'm like, hi. Actually, I might use carpet. There. Use carpet. Now we're gonna have a little lighting. I like to use different lighting, but in this case, you can't have all that we want in this kind of house. So we have to use these. So yeah, we're gonna be forced to use these. And then use that one. So we're gonna be forced to use these. And I'm going with this so I can fix everything else I didn't fix earlier. There. And the outside. Right siding, and we'll go with this, because it looks more southern like that. I'll make this very quick for you guys. Okay. Ooh, that sounds a good idea. Alrighty, cool. That handles everything else for the lighting and stuff. And now we're going to head straight up into our utensils. The bladder works. Place that right there. Place another one upstairs. There. The hell is that? And I like to get, I would like to get that bath, but unfortunately we don't have enough to get those types of baths except for like this one. So we're gonna have to be forced to use this one for now. If I can find out where to put it. Cool. Place it right there. Place this one right. Okay, can't place it down there. Place it right there. That's good. Alrighty. I would decorate it, but we don't have time for that because it costs me to decorate. So no. Okay, for this, we're actually going to be spending a lot of money on some other stuff because I like to give my Sims a good night rest. So I'm gonna go with this, and we're gonna have to. Never mind. Well, one pair of Sims can not sleep that well. Well, you guys want to know how to do it small, so yeah, don't worry about it. I'm gonna just give you a good bed at least. Well, since it's gonna be small, put the futon, and for the child can sleep right here because they're not all being bunched up in this one place. Place that right there. Grab the other one. Okay. Yeah, cool. And that's gonna be right there. It's going pretty good so far. Now, I won't do too much with the kitchen because I really don't have anything to do with the kitchen right now. Except the fact that we do that. Oh my gosh. Don't like when it does that. Cream color. Fridge. Stove. And last but not least, one more counter, or at least the inner counter. I like that inner counters. And it's the wrong color, of course. Green color. Enter. And yeah. Now, one more counter piece down, and we'll be done with this. Cool. That handles the kitchen. Kitchen doesn't need anything special. You know, unless you want to have anything special. But yeah, so far so good. I like the way that looks right now. Trust me, it will look so much better if I can like add a room for the kids. I can add a room for the kids actually. I'm just choosing not to for some reason. Actually, oh my gosh. Kids' bedroom can be right here. I don't know why I didn't think that earlier. Probably because of the fact that I actually wanted that to be a different room instead of a, you know. I'm gonna put more entrances in as possible so they don't have to keep going right past the kid's bedroom just to go to take a shower. And then we're gonna go with paintings to finish it off. They won't be extremely good paintings because, yeah. Budget. That. And that. That. Let's see. The flower. 5. Should fill them all. Let's see. Go with this. No. There. Just trying to make it look as great as it can be. It's very difficult, guys. Just to put more stuff up on these rooms. But yeah, guys, it's looking pretty good for now. Sorry, my stuff caps. Not really a lot of time trying to finish it off. It's a pretty good, nice looking establishment. Ooh, yeah, I forgot to do the living room. Living room won't be that hard. Go with this, of course. Let's see here. Add a sofa. Don't want it to interfere though. So I'll go with that right here so we can put it next to it. Great, that's nice. Add a ooh, I should have added rugs. Yeah, right. So rugs. Rugs are actually pretty good. Sorry, I'm just putting everything in different rooms, guys. I'm sorry. I really don't have a lot of time to show you guys what to do with this house. I said just like make it look furnished and then add more stuff to it. Television. Ooh. Flat screen on the wall? No? I don't care. BB dot move objects. Yeah. Nice. Okay. And then you just place it up down the wall if I can lift it up. Okay, lift it up. Well, I guess it's not determined to lift up like this one is. Okay. Nice. Put it right there. It's pretty solid though. We have all of this stuff on here. I just placed two down in the same area. Whoops. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that ends our video today. This was a pretty good house. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna work out. Actually, I'm gonna try this house. Okay, yeah, they're having a great time in their life. It works. Ooh, that chair is gonna be a problem. Yeah, that chair will be a problem soon. Oh yeah, I actually forgot the sink. You guys don't really need a sink for the beginning of your game, as long as you have a trash can. So yeah, don't worry about it. Overall, pretty nice house. And if you want to add more deck to it, go with the Terran plants. Go with the stone payment. And do this. That's to give it like a deck fill if you ever want to come outside and do this. Yeah. Also, if it's going to be backyard, I'll let her have it right here. Yeah, guys. But that's the end of our video today. But if you want to see more like this, stay tuned, guys. Pretty solid though. Actually enjoying it. Well, peace, guys.